Continues to monitor the road conditions in Sullivan County and continues our live team coverage tonight. Kaylin.
Sarah, I'm standing right in the middle of Bumpkin Road in Bluntville, and these half-submerged mailboxes behind me are a good indicator of why safety officials have had this road closed since this morning. Emergency officials have been working all day to identify the most dangerous of Sullivan County's 3,000-plus roads. That includes here in Bluntville, in Kingsport, and in the more rural areas of the county. Sullivan County Emergency Management is warning drivers, don't attempt to drive on a flooded road, even if it hasn't been officially closed. If you're staying dry inside, safety officials say check on the lowest levels of your home.
Make sure with all the flooding that your low areas, your basements and stuff like that haven't suddenly started leaking where we've had the extensive raining. So make sure you're taking care of your home too.
And many of those living on the Bumpkin Road area have been seeing higher levels of water reach their home. I spoke to one person who said their barn is completely flooded through. And as I said before, this road has been closed since this morning. It will continue to be so as water continues to accumulate in the fields beside me. In Sullivan County, Kaylin Cluck, News Channel 11.